What's going on, guys? This is Easy Breezy, and we're back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, ISEE Hair. They sent me a 24-inch deep wave lace front wig, and modeling today is the beautiful supermodel, Wadi. So before I install the wig, I make sure I cleanse the application area with green alcohol or sea breeze, and now I'm taking my scissors and cutting the excess lace off. Then I'm going to follow up by tracing the hairline shape with a regular eyeliner pencil. Now we can get ready to glue. When you're applying the glue, make sure you stay at least half an inch away from your model's hairline or your client. You don't want to get it on their hair because it's not going to damage their hair when the wig is installed, but it's just going to be hard to remove when it's time to take it off. You would rather take off glue when it's on your skin rather than all tangled up in your hair. That's a headache. Alright, now we can wait for that first layer to turn completely clear and then add our second coat. Alright, so when both coats turn clear, not necessarily dry out, if the glue is too dry, then the lace is not going to stick. It still has to be a little tacky, and then we're going to apply the lace and give it a good press. Alright, so now I'm going to take my scissors and cut the excess lace off the front. What I'm basically exposing is the shape that we drew with the glue bottle. Alright, so now we can take our sea breeze or green alcohol and erase that eyeliner line. Alright, so today we're not going to necessarily mold her hair and do a dry style. We're doing a wet style, and we're going to have the hair in its natural state. So I put my tropical root setting foam on, I'm combing it through, and then I'm going to just go ahead and do the half up, half down. So a lot of people ask me why I always put setting foam on the hair before I style it. It's because I love doing wet styles, like especially with the curly hair. You know, if I'm doing a half up, half down ponytail and I want it to be nice and sleek, I'm always going to add the setting foam. As far as like flat ironing the hair and adding spritz and stuff like that, I don't have time for that. The setting foam makes it stay, it makes it flat, shiny, it takes away all the flyaways, and it makes the style so much quicker to do. Alright, so right now I'm taking my comb and parting out a thin row of hair in the front so we can get ready to do our baby hair. Okay, yes ma'am. This looks cute already. So now time for these baby hair. I'm going to take my scissors and cut the hair about 1 inch all the way around. And today we're styling our baby hair with Got to Be Glue styling gel. And of course I'm using my comb and smooth method to style the baby hair. Comb with your right hand and smooth with your left. Alright, so now that we're done with the style, I'm gonna go ahead and take a black wrap and hit it with the blow dryer for about 5 minutes just so the baby hair can dry.
A bun? Are you nuts? Who is doing a bun? I'm not doing this. No, I want a ponytail.
All right, so the bun was obviously a no-go. So we're going back with the ponytail. So you guys, this is the final result, and this hairstyle is so cute and one of the easiest to do at home. Once again, thank you so much ISEE Hair for this deep wave lace front wig. It was so beautiful and soft, and we didn't experience any unusual shedding or tangling, and this is definitely breezy approved. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.